Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be telling you how you can find a job using an AI and your LinkedIn profile. So this is the easiest and quickest way, and AI will do everything for you. And the AI we are going to talk in this video is Claude. Okay. So everybody knows Claude. So I will be telling you how you can integrate Claude with your LinkedIn profile, and it will help you to find the jobs which are relevant to your skills, to your resume, to your experience, and to your locations as well, right? And you can find the job which is 1 week older, or 8 days, or 5 days, or which was within or posted within 24 hours, and which is actually genuine as well, right? It will tell you which is genuine, which is fake, and all everything, right? It can also help you to send an email to those, but sending email, that should be done by you only. You can use Claude at least to find the job which are relevant, and it can help you to land a job within 15 or 20 days. Okay, so you just have to do this activity daily, and it will be very helpful for you. Okay, so in this video I will be telling you the step by step process of how to do everything. Okay, which is through AI, and that is nothing but Claude and LinkedIn. It can be done by using Claude and Naukri profile also, that I will be telling you in the next video. Okay, so for now we will see how you can do with your LinkedIn profile. So remember, the first thing that you have to do is your LinkedIn profile should be updated. So this will I will be doing it on my profile. So it will be useful for all of who are fresher, or who are having up to 10 or 15 years of experience. Everybody can do this activity with respect to their active, their experience, their skills, and everything. And it is not only for data analysis or data engineers. It can be done for any job category. Okay, so first thing, make sure when you have to open your LinkedIn profile, go to your profile page and make sure everything is updated. Okay. So this is my profile, not up to date, but still I will be telling you on my profile itself. So you have to add your previous jobs, your experience. Remember to add your top skills. Okay, the top 5 skills. All right, and add your LinkedIn bio, everything. Okay, it should be up to date. Okay, so that is the first task that you have to do. Second, what you have to do is you have to install Claude. Okay, so what you can do is you can click on a new tab, and you can ask Claude for Windows. Okay, if it is Windows, or if you are using Mac, you can just type Claude for Windows or Claude for Mac. Okay, and then you have to go on here, right? And then here you can either download it for Windows, or you can download it for Mac. Okay, so just download it. The next thing, when you download it, it will ask you to log in through an Gmail ID. Just go ahead and log in through an Gmail ID over there. Okay, so once you do everything, here you can see this will be the interface. When you download and install it, you will be seeing this kind of interface over here. Okay, then as I told you, you have to log in, and at the bottom here you can see this is my login. All the information you will be seeing over here. So now I am using a pro version, nothing but monthly, somewhat. If I show you upgrade, just click on upgrade plan. And so here you can see this one. The first you can try with the free version, but I would recommend you to take this $17 per month. Okay, so this is around 2200 something with GST and everything. It will charge you, but it is worth it, guys. Okay, it will help you in finding jobs, doing your day-to-day works also. You can take it for 1 month, and once your everything, your significant, or whatever your work is done, or your target is achieved, you can opt out from it, and you can cancel your plans, whatever it is. But I would highly recommend you to take it. Okay, so it will be very helpful for you. Okay, and here, from here, you can see the performance also, whatever you want. So I will keep it at medium, and whatever new updates are there, that also you will get. You will get cowork also, and you will get cloud code also. So it will help you in learning new things like Power BI code or tax queries and anything. And this will also help you to connect Power BI, with your MCP server. So that is a different part. But there are multiple benefits of it. So once you install Claude, you can do it with a free version, not required that it is required as a pro only. But I have it, so I'm using it. Okay. Then what you have to do, you have to go to here, that is on Chrome, and then you have to install an extension. Here you can see I have already installed an extension over here, which is a Claude extension. Okay, how to install it? So just come over here. Okay, you can open a new tab, and here you can type Claude Chrome extension. Okay, so just click on Claude Chrome extension. Okay, then go to Claude Chrome website over here. Okay, and here for me, I have already installed it. So it is saying that remove from Chrome. For you, you will see that add it to the Chrome. So just click on add it to Chrome. Then it will ask you to sign in through a Gmail ID. So use the same Gmail ID which you are using for which you used for installation of Cloud Desktop. Okay, then once it is done, then you will be able to see it over here. If you are not seeing it over here at the side, here you can see extensions are there. Here you will be able to see it. Okay, and from here you can pin it nothing but you will be able to see it over here directly on your tab. Okay, so this is how you install Claude, and I will just delete it. So in this way you will how to install Claude and how to add an extension to Chrome. I have already told you. So this is how you have to do the initial set for this. Okay. Now next thing what you have to do is you have to go in the Claude which you have installed over here and go to swapnjeet, and here you can see nothing but swapnjeet means it will be your profile over here. So for me it is here, and then you have to go in settings. Okay. And once you go in settings, here you have Claude in Chrome. So just come here in Claude in Chrome, and here you can see right now it is showing as block extension. So just click on allow extension. Nothing but it will allow Claude to work in the Chrome. Okay, that is the settings that you have to do. Okay, so it is now defaulted for all the sites. You can block some websites also where Claude cannot access that website. Okay, so it's up to you. So once this is done, then you have to go back to your Chrome. So now everything is set. Open your LinkedIn profile. Okay, and now what you have to do, here you can see Claude is there. So just click on this. Okay, once you click on Claude, now here you can see it is enabled now, and it is using the Sonnet version. Okay, which is the most efficient for everyday task. You have to do the same thing. Once you click on this, it will ask for some permissions. So just click allow on everything. Okay, just let it access your Chrome so that it will help you to identify the relevant jobs which are for you. Okay, so just allow everything, whatever permissions it is asking. Then here you have to write a prompt where it will help you to identify the jobs. Okay, so prompt will be very simple. You can take help of Claude again itself to use a prompt, or you can type it yourself if you are good in English. Okay, I will type a simple prompt. Okay, find me data analysis and data engineering. So it depends upon you what you need. Okay, I will write find data analysis and data engineering jobs as per my LinkedIn profile. Okay, I'll just correct the words. So as per my LinkedIn profile, use the skills available in my profile. Okay, that is nothing but LinkedIn profile. Okay, and based on that, please list out all relevant jobs available. Okay, so this is the simple prompt I have typed, and then I will just hit enter. Okay, so now again when you hit enter, it will ask the plan, that is nothing but so this is the plan which LinkedIn will be doing, nothing but this is the plan what he will be executing or what he will be doing in your LinkedIn profile. So first thing, he will read your LinkedIn profile with all the extra skills, experience, and background information. Okay, then it will go to the LinkedIn jobs section. Then it will search for data engineering. Okay, then it will filter based on the skills that you have, and then it will compile and then provide you all the relevant jobs. Okay, so it depends, right? So if you want to make any changes in whatever plan the LinkedIn have provided us, you can click on make changes, and then you can type manually that no, just doing that doing the way I want. Okay, but this is a by default approach which LinkedIn will be following on your profile. So I'll just click on approve plan, and now it will be starting its work. Okay, so here you can see it has captured your LinkedIn profile page, and it will be doing all the things. Here you can see a small cursor is there. So this cursor is actually controlled by Claude. Okay, so you can see everything is been done by LinkedIn. We are not doing anything. Okay, so let not LinkedIn, Claude is doing everything. So let Claude do everything. So it will take some time, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So I will fast forward everything based on that. nothing but it will be a long video, so I will fast forward all this um, execution which LinkedIn is doing. So let's wait. So you can see he's moving the cursor over here, so he's finding the relevant jobs for you. Okay, so let's wait now. um, okay guys, so here you can see based on our profile summary, so he have listed out all the profile summaries, all the skills that we have. So he have provided us all the jobs over here. Here you can see all the jobs are being posted over here, right? So here you can see it is 2 days before. So right now today is Monday. Okay, so if you are doing this activity on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, so what you can do is you can add one more prompt over here where you can say give me all the jobs which are listed or which are added in last 24 hours or in last 48 hours. So that prompt also you can add, so you will get all the information which is latest. Okay, so here you can see this is the junior data engineer which is required in Fabric. Okay, and Power BI skill is also required. So when you click on it, here you can see it is giving us the information of what company it is, where what is the location over here. Okay, so you can see company description, this is the company and this is the job description that we have. Okay, based on that you can apply for this job also. So here you can see, from here you can easily apply it, you can save it. Okay, and all the job informations you will be able to see from here. Okay, similar way if you see your senior Power BI developer, so this is based on my profile. If you are a fresher, based on that you will also get all the information over here. So you can see this is for for senior Power BI developer. So this is for Barclays. Here you can see they are finding data analyst, which is 2 days before. Okay, so this is their requirements. Okay, from here you can apply it. Okay, or who is the responsible persons to whom you can reach out. You can see these are the HRs. Okay, you can directly message or resume to those HRs also, right? So in this way it has given you multiple, so based on this you can quickly apply to this all which are relevant to your profile. All right, similar way you can apply some filters here also, right? You can say please list all jobs which were posted in last 48 hours or last 28 hours. Okay, and relevant to my profile and skills. Okay, also you can say also provide a list of jobs. Okay, which are genuine. Okay, nothing but which are actually they are which are listed and which are genuine. Okay, nothing but not a fake jobs. Okay, so you can just hit and enter again, and then it will create a plan and it will start searching on your LinkedIn profile. So here you can see it is creating the plan. So this is the plan is finding. So these are the my as per my profile it is finding. Okay, so you can actually make changes and you can approve the plan, or you can approve the plan and you can search. So this can be used for all type of candidates: fresher, 1 year experience, 2 year, 10 year, or 15 year. It has started it work again, and you can see now it will start searching which are posted in last 24 hours also. So you can see this is last 1 hour. Okay, so in last 1 hour this job was posted actually. Here you can see. Okay, so this is senior data analyst and this is the job profile that they want. Okay, so now let Claude do its work, and you know So after it is done, okay, if you don't want Claude to give the access, after your work is done, you can go in settings, you can come in Claude, and here you can see you can block the extension when your work is done. Okay, or you can keep it. It's up to you. Okay, here you can see Claude is creating a plan after or based on it, the plan it created, it is now going ahead and doing all the changes for us. So let's wait, and it will list out all the jobs for you. Okay, so this is as per my profile. So this is I'm doing it as per my profile. It can do as per your profile also. You just have to keep your profile updated. So that is the important part. Okay, so you can see State Street is looking for lead cloud data engineer, okay, which is for 10 to 14 years, which is as per my profile. Okay, so you can see it was actually 23 minutes back only it was posted. In this way, it will help you to give most relevant. Okay, you can see in last 12 hours also. You can quickly apply with your profile, and the required, if it matches their skill, they will actually reach out to you. With if the skills are matching, and you can actually give an interview quickly and get placed over there. So you have to make use of AI in your day-to-day life, not only for your skill building, but also for your job search and everything. Okay, you can see it has listed everything. So you can see this is SQL developer, just 14 minutes ago. Data engineer is there, which was 20 hours. So this is, you can see people staffing and solution, which is in Hyderabad, which is for posted 12 hours ago. Okay. So this is, you can see all the info, the skills they want in Power BI, Tableau, and Excel dashboard, right? They want Python also, right? You can reach out to this email ID also, which is who is recruitment lead. You can contact his this number also. You can actually call them also, right? In this way, he have listed out, you can see n number of jobs, right? In this way, you can quickly apply to these jobs, and stay up to date, so that you are not wasting your time, and you are actually applying to relevant jobs, not all cluttered, where you don't know what you are doing, and so many n number of jobs are there, right? So just make use of Claude, and it will help you in getting all the list of jobs based on your profile and your skills. Okay, so I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to do. You can add and more commands, as you can filter out your job search more by adding so many or a number of prompts over here. Okay, so this is how you can do it. I hope this was helpful, and you will be doing this in your job search and in your day-to-day work also, right? So this was all for today. I will come up with the next video, which will be Claude plus Nokri, maybe after 2 or 3 days. Okay, so there also I will tell you how to search. Till then, bye bye.